Okay guys, so today's video is just about how to make your own mould for your table. So first off, grab yourself some form ply. I find form ply is the best ply to use. You can get this from your local ITM. Once you've got your form ply, put your slabs that you're going to be using for your table onto your form ply and just calculate how much width you want to have and your length. Now once you've got that approximately marked out, you can just make a brief mark by the side of your slab so that pretty much indicates where your slab's going to be end up. And we like to allow 5 to 10 mil. Don't know if you can see from this angle, this slab's sitting nice and flat. This one's got just a little bit of a rock. Now this one's been seal coated with RESINZWOOD multi-sealer on top. Both of them have on top, underneath with a water-based product, was it? So really speaking guys, when you're doing your sealing, seal on top, seal on bottom, do it with the same product, do it with that multi-sealer, you're not going to have any problems.
Now we got our 2-inch cut, which is the same width as our board.
Just want to pop that break up there. Awesome stuff. Beautiful. Yeah, just the skull. Now we've got our base there. If you want to grab your silicone, right, first thing I'm going to do, guys, is I'm just going to put my hands on. So when I come to create my forms, I'll silicone along the edge, and then I'll screw it, and then I'll run my finger on the inside edge of the mould to make sure I have a nice clean line. So guys, if you are trying to work out where to put your screws, best thing to do, grab your timber on its edge, calculate where the middle is. Yeah, looks about right. Run your finger down there, and then every time you know that you've got your screws lined up with the centre of your timber. So normally I'd pre-drill this. 2 things. 1, being lazy. And 2, I just can't be bothered trying to find my drilling bits at the moment because I'm having to be cleaning up another shed. So quite simply, see I tip the timber there, screws come through, but I'm not going to stress about it. Just run my finger down there, get a real nice coverage. Where that screws come through, just filling out that hole with a bit more silicone and just not going to leave it, sleep over it. Okay, cool.
So that's obviously the stuff to buy the white stuff.
Yeah, don't need heaps of wax, just you're doing enough on your hand to finish off the roof.
Just
That's better. That's better. That's better.
So the next thing is tomorrow, come back tomorrow, and we pour it. Pour the river, the first deep pour in the river, and then, well, if you're going to be pouring deep, you're going to put some weight on here, like use some dumbbell weights or a couple of big units of rocks. Put them on top just to hold the slabs down. One of the cowboy mistakes I made back in the day, guys, when I was learning, was I put my timber in, I poured my river and I thought, gosh, she looks beautiful. I came back the next morning and my timber was floating above the mould because of buoyancy factor. So make sure you weight down your slabs when you pour your river.
Guys, so there you have it. That's how you make a mould. This video and written tutorial will be on our website RESINZWOOD.com. You can download a PDF on how to do it, and we'll have some pictures and video and all of that sort of thing. My contact phone number is on most of the how-to tutorials or on the main website, where you can just get in touch with me. If you have any problems, more than happy to help you out.